What up, YouTube? Sniff Money here. Just doing a trigger and hammer replacement on my Mak90. Got it broken down. Would have did a better install video, but I don't have a tripod. So I got the rifle broken down, pretty much everything out of it. It's clear. I got the hammer out, trigger out, safety off. And what I'm going to be putting in is the Tapco G2 double hook trigger group and the Krebs hammer and trigger retaining pin. And what we have here is the old trigger and hammer assembly fire control group, and the new one I'm going to be replacing it with. And also this Krebs retaining pin, that's going to be replacing this shepherd's pin here. This thing was a pain to get out, so going to be replacing it with the Krebs retaining pin, and it's going to make it a lot easier to break down the rifle, the fire control group, take it out and clean it and things of that sort. So going to be replacing that, and just got everything apart here. About to assemble this trigger and drop it in, and the hammer and the retaining pin, and put it back together, and that's going to be about it. I've never did this before, you know, I'm not a gunsmith, or I'm not too mechanically inclined or whatever, but it wasn't too hard to disassemble. I've referenced a few videos on YouTube and found out, you know, different things to do. So I finally got everything out, and getting ready to assemble the new parts and put them back in, and I'll get back with you with a video of the new parts in.